Hey y'all, JTSpeeds here. I'm back with another one. Let's go. Today on the show where I react to police chases, we got ASP in pursuit of a Mustang. I'm not sure if it's a GT, V6, EcoBoost, or what, but this is definitely a hot one. If you guys know who Trooper Bird is, it's crazy to get his footage. But whatever. Smash the like button. Shout out to LRH and Cash for the original video. Original video will be in the description. Looks like they're going to state lines. So I see something moving erratically up there, which is a Mustang. So he was trolling in Tahoe, and not a Charger is getting up on him. Dog, this is crazy. Bro, yeah, like you're getting pitted. Bro, did you just... Nigga, ain't no way. They got his ass quick. Then jumps over the bridge. Is crazy work. He jumped over the bridge? If y'all don't know, usually on the show where I react to police chases, I'll clap it up for the cops if they catch the bad guy and have a donut. So in this case, you know what I mean, we're just gonna have to. So is that the driver they're slamming on the hood, or did the driver jump in the water? Excuse me, y'all, I'm on FaceTime while I'm doing a video, so. Yeah. Oh.
Let White Motor know the tow slip will be underneath the windshield on tonight.
I really think somebody jumped off the bridge. I'm not sure exactly who, but they did jump off the bridge. Do y'all like this view? I'm recording this on an iPad. So you look different, don't it? I think I'm like, man, you get the full flex from mom's basement. Ah!
12 to 10, if you want to head that way, I'll cover here.
Man, smash the like button for me being in mom's basement right now. You eating some cereal? I think it's about time for me another do. This is gonna be one of them videos where I just get up, you know what I mean, and go get a Mountain Dew. This is kind of boring. Hey, y'all can cook me in the comments.
D1D26, is he moving at all?
That thing was boring AF anyways, I mean. Damn. If only I didn't click the video so far ahead and I knew where I was at. I'm gonna come back and read the police report. Let me go grab a Mountain Dew.
We got 2 in custody. 10-4. 2 in custody. 25, 26. Was it just 2? 10-4.
Yo, down the Marco in the trap, boys. Hey. Alright, bro. Y'all seen this dude jumped off the bridge, bro. They blocking traffic at this point. This is a state border, mind you. State lines.
10-4, that's okay with supervisor. B5. Under incident, 1 in custody. Clear. Section coordinate clear. 448.
I guess they threw a gun out the window. It wasn't a person, I guess, who jumped. Maybe it was, I don't know. I am not sure.
State 10-4 City. I'll be on the east side of post 1 if anything.
So whatever happens, happens. The only reason I watch these videos through is because, you know, my momentum of gaining subscribers at this point. People tell me to watch the videos all the way through, so I do. Anyways, that was pretty cool. The Mustang was towing at that border until things got real. And then it wasn't looking good, bro. As soon as Trooper Barrett pulled up, he just immediately pitted his ass. So that's why you shouldn't run from ASP. If y'all want to join the Liftoff mob, man, smash the subscribe button. I mean, I'm not going to force you to. Hit the like button. Let's get 1 like. We can do it. 1 like. Come on, y'all. And yeah, it's JTSpeeds, and I'm out. Peace. But you know I get faded. Yeah, I do that cause I made it. Yeah, Jerry, bitch, we dated. Yeah, we dated. But I never made that statement. No, I won't. I seen her out, man, let's spin around. Yeah, spin a block, man, I'm get down. She said chill, it's the 10th round. I said no, you can't quit now. Bitch, now.